Resto-Rob here. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be working on a few screwdrivers. So sit back and enjoy and see how they turn out. This is what we're working with. We have a Bonney SO8 yellow handled screwdriver, a Bonney Econ red handled screwdriver, a Better Grip D9604 sparkle handle, a HOLD-E-ZEE PS-4 Phillips, and a HOLD-E-ZEE TR2 flat blade. Here you can see me using a razor blade to remove some of the old paint. I started to wet sand with 500 grit and worked my way up to 1,000. You can see I'm using a wire wheel to clean up some of the metal. And more sanding. Using a buffing wheel to make a nice shine. Here I'm using the belt sander just to clean up the tips. And here's the before. And now, what they look like after. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.